Hello, music enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of beatmaking, a captivating art form that allows you to produce your own unique music. Whether you're an aspiring producer or a music lover looking to explore your creativity, this beginner's guide to beatmaking will equip you with the essential tools and techniques to craft infectious rhythms and captivating melodies. Join us as we dive into the art of music production and learn how to create your very own beats from scratch. Part 1: Understanding Beatmaking Basics. What are beats? Explore the fundamental elements of beats, including drums, bass lines, and melodies. Learn about different music genres and their characteristic beat styles. Introduction to Digital Audio Workstations (DAWs). Discover popular DAWs like Ableton Live Florida Studio and Logic Pro X. Familiarize yourself with the DAW's interface and essential tools for music production. Part 2: Drum Patterns and Rhythms. Building the foundation, kick and snare. Create a compelling drum pattern using kick and snare sounds. Experiment with different rhythms to find the groove that suits your style. Adding percussion and hi-hats. Enhance your beat with various percussion elements like claps, shakers, and tambourines. Craft dynamic hi-hat patterns to add energy and movement to your music. Part 3: Crafting Melodies and Chords. Creating catchy melodies. Explore different virtual instruments and synths to compose captivating melodies. Utilize scales and musical theory to craft melodies that resonate with your audience. Harmonizing with chords. Learn how to build chords and progressions that complement your melodies. Experiment with chord inversions and variations for added depth. Part 4: Arrangement and Mixing. Structuring your beat. Arrange your beats into sections such as intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. Experiment with song structures to keep your listeners engaged. Mixing and sound design. Master the art of mixing by balancing each element in your beat. Use effects like reverb, delay, and compression to add dimension and character to your sounds. Part 5: Sharing your beats and getting feedback. Exporting and sharing. Export your beats in various audio formats for easy sharing and distribution. Utilize online platforms and social media to showcase your music to the world. Seeking feedback and continuous improvement. Share your beats with fellow producers and musicians to receive constructive feedback. Embrace the learning process and continuously refine your beat-making skills. There you have it, a lesson in music production by Manabu. By understanding beat-making basics, crafting drum patterns and melodies, arranging your beats, and seeking feedback from the music community, you'll be well on your way to producing your own mesmerizing music. Thank you for joining us on this musical journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beat-making tutorials and creative music production tips.